Hey guys, after yesterday Abuja court case between the federal government of Nigeria and the Kanu and what transpired in the court, Nigerians just they talk left, right, and center. What Mazi Nnamdi Kanu did in the court, he just like be like so na not know na job you not know the Nigerian constitution that you are carrying. Are you sure that you really know what you are doing? Honestly, it was really very, very shameful. And sometimes like this, not be every time person go dey gentle. You understand? When person they look you like say you not know what you they do. Sometimes you go just do rugged. Let them know say, see, I know what's up. And that was exactly what the IPOB leader did yesterday in the court. It made these people to believe that I don't understand what you people are doing. You are acting like you don't know the Constitution. Who says they don't know it? They know everything, but they are acting. That is it. Last week, the U.S. government said Nigeria is a lawless country when not they obey its own court law. You can understand that kind of word. It speaks volume of a country. Today, we are no longer valued outside Nigeria. You get, because of where Nigerian politicians, political jobbers, where they don't put us, they not get interest of this country at all. Everybody just a hustle for their own. You get. If not, we have constitutions, we have rules and regulations that is guiding this country, but they don't come up for that part. Ohanaeze youth praises Nnamdi Kanu for educating Justice Binta Nyako and the lawyer Awomolo on rudiments of Nigerian law. Because according to them, they say they know, it be like say they don't know them. But to me, I feel say they know everything, but they are just acting. You understand? They are just acting based on what they ask them to do, but it is very wrong. You see, today, majority of people will tell you, instead of me to go to court, to Fiakwa, I just go on Goshurai and do whatever I want to do. Because they know, say, when you go court, then go twist everything. Court supposed to be the last man hope. But today, the poor man hope today, you know, there again. If you go there, they go cause more problem to you. It's so sad. The Happy Span Igbo Social Cultural Youth Organization, Ohanaeze Youth Council, OYC, has extolled the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, Nnamdi Kanu, for educating Justice Binta Nyako, and the counsel for the Nigerian government, Mr. Solomon Adegbenga Awomolo, son, of the rudiments of law concerning his trial. Speaking to newsmen after a federal high court in Abuja denied Kanu bail on Tuesday, May 21st, 2024, the National President General of OYC, Comrade Igboyeka, alleged that the presiding judge, Justice Binta Nyako, is under the influence of the federal government led by President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. The facial expressions of Justice Binta Nyako in the courtroom when Nnamdi Kanu lambasted and educated her, and Mr. Solomon Adegbenga Awomolo, son, on the fundamental rules of law shows that President Bola Ahmed Tinubu has given negative instructions to Justice Binta Nyako over the court case of Nnamdi Kanu, he said. Igboyeka recounted that the Supreme Court was silent on granting bail to Kanu, but was very vocal in condemning Operation Python Dance of the federal government in 2017 that claimed the lives of over 200 civilians. He recalled that the Appeals Court also condemned the abduction of Kanu in Kenya and noted that IPOB leader did not jump bail but flew Nigeria due to the attack by the military. It is unfortunate that Binta Nyako is not making any reference to the judgment of the Supreme Court, but believing and declaring that Nnamdi Kanu jumped bail, contrary to the legal provision of the Supreme Court judgment. It is obvious that Justice Binta Nyako relied on the tele-guided script of the federal government led by President Bola Ahmed Tinubu to decide the bail application of Nnamdi Kanu filed by the lead counsel, Barrister Aloy Ejimako. Igboyega stated. Igboyega commented Kanu's braveness and doggedness in court for educating Justice Binta and Agbeyinga San, stating that the provision of Section 2, subsection 3, F in brackets of Terrorism Prevention and Prevention Act of Federal Republic of Nigeria implies that attempting to try Nnamdi Kanu by the federal government is purely committing act of terrorism. According to him, it is clear that Kanu was kidnapped in Kenya by the government in collaboration with the Kenya government, thereby breaching international and local laws. He said that means Kanu cannot be tried in any court of the competent jurisdiction in Nigeria. He said the way Nnamdi Kanu was adopted, smuggled to Nigeria, there is no window of law to commence a trial for such trial by Justice Binta Nyako, when leads to legal somersault of Nigeria to the diplomatic treaty they signed with Kenya. This is why Justice Binta Nyako has been instructed by the President Bola Tinubu to keep delaying Nnamdi Kanu court case. The same delay tactics employed by President Muhammadu Buhari, but this delay is more dangerous to the existence of Nigeria than the fear they have about Nnamdi Kanu. It is obvious that Nnamdi Kanu abduction in Kenya is similar to abduction of Umaru Diko in Britain on July 5th, 1984, but the British government foiled that illegal arrest on the 6th of July, citing the breach of diplomatic law, and stopped the move to bring Alhaji Umaru Diko back to Nigeria. It is therefore regrettable and a demonstration of illegality and mockery to international law that even British government and Kenya governments convened and adopted Nnamdi Kanu because he is an Igbo man. This is the empirical evidence that to be an Igbo man in Nigeria is a very big tax and a life-threatening tax than to use legs to cross Atlantic Ocean. Igboyega urged President Tinubu to know that stretching Kanu's case further may turn Nigeria into another hitter. He said it is therefore necessary for the federal government, led by President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, to discontinue the executive radicality and impunity of the former president, Muhammadu Buhari, and speedily grant a political solution to Nnamdi Kanu's case and grant him unconditional release as a viable means to national restoration of peace and stability in Nigeria. So guys, what's your take on this? Let's hear from you. Kindly drop your comments below the comment section. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share this video, let it go viral. Let Nigerians understand what is going on in the Nigerian political landscape. Thank you for stopping by.